Welcome to our ultimate comparison of two popular smartphone gimbals, the Hohem iSteady M6 and the L7C Pro. In today's video, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, and user experiences to help you decide which stabilizer is right for you. Let's get started. The Hohem iSteady M6 boasts advanced features like AI tracking, a magnetic fill light, and a 0.91-inch OLED display, making it a versatile choice for content creators. In contrast, the L7C Pro offers a foldable design and gesture controls, providing convenience for users on the go. While both gimbals provide 3-axis stabilization, the M6's additional features cater to more professional needs. When it comes to pricing, the Hohem iSteady M6 is priced at $209 US, reflecting its advanced features and build quality. On the other hand, the L7C Pro is a budget-friendly option at just $79 US, making it an attractive choice for those looking for solid stabilization without a hefty price tag. This significant price difference is a crucial factor for many buyers. User feedback highlights the Hohem iSteady M6's excellent stabilization and advanced features, with a rating of 4.4 out of 5 from over 1,100 reviews. Meanwhile, the L7C Pro has a slightly lower rating of 4.3 from 119 reviews, with users appreciating its ease of use but noting some inconsistencies in AI tracking. Both products have their strengths, making them popular choices among videographers. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady M6 and the L7C Pro offer unique advantages depending on your needs and budget. If you're looking for advanced features and superior stabilization, the M6 is worth the investment. However, if you're seeking a more affordable and portable option, the L7C Pro is a great choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.